Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about does have screencast or not in this Poco smartphone. Let's talk this about. So friends, you have to scroll down. You will see here it is the control center. So you will see here it is not showing the cast feature. Then you can click on this pencil icon. Scroll down, you will see if it is showing there cast feature, it's okay. If it is not, you have to click on settings, click on search, and then here you have to write simply cast. So here it is showing you the cast option. Here you can enable this and it will show the cast, and you can connect your TV, your mobile screen start showing on your television. And you one thing you have to keep in mind, just connect your mobile and television with the same Wi-Fi and with good connectivity, then it will connect it successfully. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.